Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to fix Toyota Camry trunk lock, updated. Start by removing the trunk trim and locating the latch, rods, and actuator. Inspect mechanical linkages for broken clips, bent rods, or obstructions, and lubricate moving parts. If the actuator fails testing, check wiring and fuses before replacing components. Reassemble carefully and test the lock cycle multiple times to confirm smooth, reliable operation. Begin with a careful inspection of the latch and linkage to identify broken clips, bent rods, or debris causing binding. Use penetrating lubricant on pivot points and work the mechanism until it moves smoothly. Replace any damaged rods or clips and ensure proper engagement to prevent slipping. Wear gloves for safety. Reassemble the trim temporarily and test the trunk manually before proceeding to electrical checks to confirm the mechanical repair. Many trunk problems come from a faulty actuator or wiring issue, so locate the actuator behind the latch and inspect its connector for corrosion or loose pins. Briefly apply 12V to the actuator to verify motion and replace it if it does not respond. Check related fuses and wiring harnesses for continuity with a multimeter before swapping major parts. After repairs, cycle the lock several times to ensure reliable operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.